Welcome to my channel, Hope for Wealth Creation, a channel providing you with tips for creating wealth. Today, I am going to touch on the subject, tips for making money through your gift. To start with, let's define what a gift really is. A gift is a natural ability, such as the ability to sing, or a natural attribute, such as empathy, which is inborn within a person. Research indicates that every individual on earth possesses at least one gift, be it an ability or an attribute. Through this gift, a person could generate wealth immensely if it is correctly identified and nurtured. There's the story of a single mother in the US who struggled to make ends meet, as the income she received from her job wasn't enough to cater for her living expenses. She reasoned out as to how she could use a natural ability of hers to get a side income. She assessed her personal qualities and acknowledged her inborn attribute of empathy. To know how she could use this natural attribute of hers to generate extra income, she took the pains to study the core values of empathy. She discovered 3 forms of empathy grouped under what is known as psychic empathy. These 3 include emotional empathy, compassionate empathy, and cognitive empathy. Upon careful self-examination, she identified hers to be compassionate empathy, which places her perfectly on a career path as a caregiver. Upon this discovery, she went to train as a specialist in disability caregiving. After the training, she took a full-time job as a disability caregiver with the motive of acquiring relevant work experience and setting up a business of her own. So, a year later, she quit her job and established a small-sized company with 2 employees. But with 5 years down the line, her business grew nationwide with multiple contracts and with over 300 employees to her credit, and with wealth beyond her wildest dreams. So the tips for making money through your gift are: 1. Examine yourself deeply to identify your unique gift. 2. Go for training to get the gift polished. 3. Work temporarily on a job if necessary, but with the mindset of creating a business. 4. Establish your own business and put in the work to succeed. And then you would excel. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Until we meet up again in the next video, this is Festus wishing you a fruitful season. Keep your hopes alive, work on your dreams, and stay grafted in wealth.